So I saw some of the beautiful work that GLC does on Instagram, and I had them come out and give me a quote for building a pool. We ended up doing a pool, paver surround decking, patio with a bar, and a storage area for all of my pool equipment. One of the things that I really liked was GLC was basically one neck to grab. They managed the entire project from pool installation, landscaping, construction, plumbing, electrical. They did it all. They handled the whole project. One of the impressive aspects of this project to me was the amount of material that they had to bring in to complete my pool. And the skill set of all of the crew on GLC. They showed up on time when they said they were going to show up. Very respectful of my property. The project was cleaned up at the end of the day. Interrupted my life minimally. I was very satisfied with the work ethic and the hospitality and the friendliness of the crew and just their overall skill set. I'm very happy with the finished product. I would highly recommend them without any hesitation.